Today we look at whether the repair section was bonded into the front, but first we look at removal of the stainless trim pieces below the doors. The trim at the bottom of the door is not in too bad a condition. I think there's two little dings in it which might come out with a little bit of work once I've got the trim off. But before I actually take it off, I just thought I'd show you the fit. This is at the front wing, coming along the bottom of the door, and as you can see there, it doesn't fit quite flush. So there's been a little bit of work there in the past, but it hasn't been done correctly. Again, there's a few undulations there. As we get towards the rear, again, you can see the fit isn't particularly good. So once the paint's off, that will be made good, so it fits without looking like a bit of an eyesore. Once you know these things are there, they jump out of you every time you look at the car. So that will be fixed. The trim on the other side is in better condition and the fit is better. And I believe from people I bought the car from, this sill has been altered so that the door fits better. But I'll soon see evidence of that once I take the trim off and remove the paint. I didn't think the removal of the trim strip would warrant any more time spent telling you about it, but I thought I'd just show you trying to remove the clips. Now that particular clip there was rusted on. I thought originally it was pop riveted, but no, it's a screw. Rusted in screw. So you could see there, there's one hole which perhaps was the original, and there's a second hole drilled there using a self-tapper, and it's rusted in solid. Further along, that one there was pop riveted in, and that one came out easy. Then we have 1, 2, 3, which again are screwed in, crosshead screws in this case, and they will not come out. They're totally seized in, as you can see there. Oops. As you can see there, it's totally rusted and is breaking away. And as you can see there as well, another hole where another trim clip was, and I think they're all like that. The trim clips have been moved along. The one on the end there was also pop riveted, and one was missing, so they came out fairly easily. So I've got to try and get these out. The ones on the other side should come out fine, as they're all pop riveted in. Okay, back to the bodywork now, and as you can see, it's progressing reasonably well. This arch here was very heavily filled and been reprofiled. I'm getting I'm getting all of the filler out, and I'll re-glass fibre that to the correct profile. As you can see, there's quite a lot of filler, and to be honest, to my amazement, you can see there what I presume is the original paint underneath. Quite a bit of filler, and again up here. Oops, focus. As you can see there. Now, why someone had put that amount of filler on top of paint is beyond me. But anyway, as I say, it looks as though around the arches, and certainly on the other side, but there was no damage to that arch. It's been heavily reprofiled. Another little example of filling over the original paint and then painting. As you can see here, you can just see how much filler has been put over the original paint to profile. this wheel arch. And you can see the damage there, which was filled. I just find that amazing. I don't know whether anyone's come across that level of filler over paint before, but it seems crazy to me. Anyway, onwards and upwards. In the last video I showed you what I thought was a crack that had been repaired, not very well because it was showing through the paint, and quite a few people suggested that it could be the join of a repair section, and I suggested it probably looked the same the other side. Well, let's go and have a look. As you can see, there's no equivalent repair over here, and it's quite obvious that the front section of the body has not been replaced or any sections cut in. What there is though, just down here, is another, what I presume is a crack repair, and as you can see, similar to the other side, there are a couple of filled holes there which probably braced the crack while it was filled and set and repaired. This side of the car has thrown up some little issues, I suppose. There's quite a divot there in the glass fibre, and it's been repaired. So this needs all coming out. As you can see, it's fairly deep, and it's sort of a flat section. And further down, all this white stuff, or greyish white stuff here, actually looks to me as though it's some sort of fibre type material. I've come across about 3, 4, 5 different types of filler on the car up to date. And there you can see. So there's a lot of work to repair and contour this properly, because you can feel ridges down here, and this hasn't been done properly at all. So I will carry on uncovering other problems, I dare say, and later this week I'll be removing the windscreen and the surround, so I can get on to stripping just above the scuttle. So thanks for watching. I hope you're finding this informative. I'm trying to do at least one video a week as to the progress I'm making and the repairs I'll be doing on the car when I get to that point. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There'll be lots more to come. See you soon.